what's for dinner?
I'm not cooking tonight. I got you something at the market. Chef Duddy's FGTEEV Dinner.
Yay! Oh, I can't wait to eat it. Oh, hey guys, you joining me for dinner today? It's Soco and it's time for dinner with Chef Duddy's FGTEEV Dinner Season 4. Let's get to dinner. We have 4 out of 2 possible figures. 1 putty.
4 out of 2?
4 out of 11 possible figures. 1 DLC game code for Goozy. And 1 putty. Let's see how yummy this TV dinner is. Ooh la la. Here are my scissors. Let me cut it open. OMG! This is awesome. This is a Michael stack. Yay, yeah, yay. I wonder what Michael stack this is. I'm guessing that this is my second Michael stack. Chef Funnel Boy!
So cool.
I like this Funnel Boy better. Turn around your legs. So cute. Okay, I'm definitely gonna get to mixing and matching them after this. At least after dinner. Mom said I can only play after dinner.
No playing with your food.
Unless it's FGTEEV food.
Unless it's an FGTEEV dinner.
Is this another Michael figure? Yep, it's Sushi Ollie. And then there's Oreo. So adorable. They're 2 dogs. What is this? This one looks hard.
Is that the putty?
No, it isn't. This must be our 4th Michael stack. Ooh, this feels weird. I bet it's Oreo and an Oreo!
Now that's good. Mommy likes that one.
Oh, well. Putty!
Putty.
So this is our FGTEEV Gawky Talky Goblin Gravy.
Not to be eaten.
No.
Just to be played with.
Just to be played with. So that is everything for today. Hope to see you next time. And don't play with your dinner unless it's FGTEEV dinner. Enjoy!